August project of the month is a custom platform delivered to Union County High School. With football season just around the corner, the UCHS band was in need of a director's platform to replace the scaffolding they were previously utilizing. Panelbuilt delivered an 8x8 cold-rolled platform. Standing at 12 foot tall, the platform made it possible for a clear view of the entire football field. The platform had a custom powder-coated finish of UCHS Panthers purple and gold. The stair treads and decking were galvanized bar grating for weather resistance. To ensure safety, OSHA 2-rail hand railing was provided. UCHS was able to cut cost and time by opting for a cold-rolled platform. This new product line will be beneficial in providing shorter lead times and lower prices. Special thanks to Union County High School for the excellent photos and for ensuring success of another project. If you've recently completed a Panelbuilt project, share your photos with us at info@panelbuilt.com for a chance to win $50.